Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering the art of manifesting and see if I can really overcome my limitations with this formula. In recent years, manifesting has become increasingly popular as a tool for personal empowerment and achievement. It's all about harnessing the power of your mind to bring your dreams into reality. One thing that's certain is that manifesting is not just some fluffy woo-woo concept. It's a tangible, powerful tool that can transform your life in incredible ways. So, what's holding you back from achieving your dreams through manifesting? For many people, it's self-doubt and limiting beliefs that get in the way. You may think that you're not good enough, or that your dreams are just too big. Maybe you've tried manifesting before, but you didn't see the results you were hoping for. So, you gave up, thinking that it just didn't work for you. The truth is, manifesting is not a magic trick that's going to make all your dreams come true overnight. It takes work, dedication, and a willingness to let go of your limitations. When it comes to manifesting, most people focus on what they don't want, rather than what they do want. They're stuck in a mindset of lack and scarcity, rather than abundance and possibility. They're so caught up in their own negative thoughts and emotions that they can't see a way out. The manifesting process is actually pretty straightforward. First, you need to get crystal clear on what you want to achieve. This means taking the time to reflect on your desires, values, and goals. What is it that you really want to manifest in your life? Next, you need to visualize your desires as if they've already happened. This means using all of your senses to bring your desires to life in your mind's eye. See yourself achieving your goals. Hear the sounds of success. Feel the emotions of joy and fulfillment. The third step in the manifesting process is to cultivate a positive mindset. This means letting go of negative thoughts and emotions and focusing on the good stuff. It means believing in yourself and your abilities, and trusting that everything is going to work out for your highest good. The fourth and final step is to take action towards your goals. This means breaking down your big, hairy goals into smaller, manageable steps and taking consistent action towards achieving them. It means being willing to take risks, to step outside your comfort zone, and to persevere through challenges and setbacks. But here's the thing. None of this matters if you don't believe in yourself. If you don't truly believe that you can achieve your dreams, then you're never going to take the action needed to make them a reality. So, what's the formula for overcoming limitations in manifesting? It's simple. Belief plus action equals results. The first part of the formula is belief. This means believing in yourself, your abilities, and your worthiness to achieve your dreams. It means letting go of self-doubt and negativity and focusing on the positive. It means trusting that everything is going to work out for your highest good. The second part of the formula is action. This means taking consistent, deliberate action towards your goals. It means being willing to take risks, to step outside your comfort zone, and to persevere through challenges and setbacks. It means being open to learning, growth, and transformation. When you combine belief and action, you get results. It's not rocket science, but it does take effort and dedication. It takes a willingness to let go of your limitations and to step into your true potential. So, to recap, manifesting is a powerful tool for personal empowerment and achievement. It's about harnessing the power of your mind to bring your dreams into reality. It's about believing in yourself, taking action towards your goals, and trusting that everything is going to work out for your highest good. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of manifesting. If you've had any experiences with manifesting, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you want to dive deeper into the world of manifesting, be sure to check out my other videos for more insights and inspiration.